Hello everyone, I'm Thai. Welcome to our presentation. We come from Unity team. My team includes Tu Kwon and me. Today we are here to present to you about artificial intelligence in education. Our presentation is divided into four parts. Firstly, I will talk about current state of AI in education. Secondly, Tu will introduce potential of AI in education. Next, we'll talk about challenges and concerns of AI in education. Finally, we will come to a conclusion. Currently, AI is being used in education in various ways, from chatbots that provide 24/7 student support to personalized learning algorithms that adapt to each student's needs. AI-powered tools are also being used to automate administrative tasks such as grading assignments and providing feedback. Additionally, AI is being used to analyze large amounts of data to identify patterns and insights that can inform the development of new educational strategies and policies. There are many examples of successful AI-powered education tools and platforms currently in use. Some of the most popular include Duolingo, ALEKS, and Coursera.
About potential of artificial intelligence in education. Artificial intelligence AI has a potential to revolutionize the way we think about education, from personalized learning algorithms to virtual and augmented realities. AI-powered tools and technologies have been to enhance the learning experiences for students in ways we never thought possible. AI has the potential to provide a wide range of benefits for education. One of the most significant is the ability to personalize each student learning experiences. With AI, educators can analyze student performances and preferences data to create customized lesson plans and assessment that align with each student unique strengths and weaknesses. Additionally, AI can automate administrative tasks such as grading, freeing up time for educators to focus on other important aspects of teaching. AI-powered tools and technologies can also enhance the learning experiences for students in a number of ways. For example, virtual and augmented reality can make learning more interactive and immersive, while chatbot and other AI-powered tools can provide 24/7 student support. Additionally, AI can be used to create personalized quizzes and games that help students to engage with the material in a fun and interactive way. AI and ChatGPT can revolutionize academic research by processing and analyzing large amounts of data quickly, uncovering new discoveries, generating and conducting literary review faster than traditional methods. ChatGPT can assist researchers in writing papers by providing feedback and suggestions, and even generating part on the text. Additionally, it can be used in natural language processing such as text summarization, sentiment analysis, and language translation for analyzing unstructured data. However, it's important to note that these capabilities must be used in conjunction with the human intelligences, as AI and ChatGPT can only provide suggestions and support, and the final decision and responsibility of the research are still on the researchers.
While there are many benefits to using AI in education, there are also ethical considerations that need to be addressed. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for AI to perpetuate existing bias and discrimination in education. Additionally, there are concerns about the impact of AI on student privacy and data security. Educators have also pointed out the chatbot's ability to generate meaningful responses to questions from assessment and exams, and it's often not possible to attribute these responses to a particular source, making it difficult to detect plagiarism. Another concern is the potential for job displacement in the education sector as technology continues to advance. With the automation of many administrative tasks, there may be fewer jobs available for educators and support staff. Ensuring equal access to AI-powered education for all students is also a challenge that needs to be addressed. With the growing availability of online education and educational resources on the internet, it is important to ensure that all students, regardless of their socio-economic status or location, have access to resources.
While AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about education, there are still many challenges and concerns that need to be addressed. It is important for researchers and developers to continue to explore the potential of AI in education and to work towards addressing the challenges and concerns that may appear as this kind of technologies keep improved and being implemented in the current education system. Thank you for listening to our talk today.